Today I am taking interview. Hello.
Wait.
What's your full name?
Full name is Sadia Abu Zaid Sheikh.
थोड़ा पैर हटा
What
ना।
subjects do you like?
My subject English.
Tell me do you live? Where do you live? Tell me your address.
Santosh
ये यार
Nagar
खाती
Goregaon
मत
East.
What's your favorite dish?
My favorite is biryani, pulao.
What's your hobby?
My hobby running, writing.
Tell me few things about yourself.
I can swimming or I can cycling.
What games do you play?
I play games Kho-Kho.
Thank you.